When I'm short on time, I make this chicken recipe. It's super quick and doesn't dirty any pans. Let's start on a cutting board by slicing 2 chicken breasts. I'll make a cut on top, not going all the way through. Once done, we'll set them aside. In a dish, add some oil or olive oil. Season with salt, garlic powder, chili flakes, onion powder, and sweet paprika. Mix well. Now add all our chicken and mix thoroughly to coat the breasts. In the cuts we made, I'll add some butter. Now place the chicken in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Look how amazing this chicken turns out. Quick, easy, and delicious. And best of all, it's super juicy. It's absolutely delightful. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick dish from Pobrina Kozina. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.